Well, in all of the referenda that I have experience of, it normally tightens quite a lot between yes and no as polling day approaches, because frankly a lot of individual citizens only get engaged in referenda issues in the 3 weeks before the polling date, and then every week that advances closer to the polling date, generally it gets tighter. But what I would say is that at this point in time, I'm very confident about a yes outcome, and also it's been a great campaign. It's been incredibly positive, very vibrant, a lot of young people connected into the campaign. It's also had its sad moments. People have come out and told their different stories, and I think they have opened up a discussion, a conversation, a story with the rest of Ireland about how difficult at times it has been to be gay in Ireland, and how they want that sense of equality and access constitutionally to what heterosexual people have. So I'd be confident that that position is now very well understood, particularly by younger people, but frankly as well by older people. I mean, I met a man the other day when I was in Carlow, and he was in his middle to late 70s, and he said, "I'm too old, to vote yes, they tell me, but I'm voting yes."